Are you ready for tips and tricks with Miss Linda? That's me. So today I'm adding another T to ours. It's tips, tricks, and tools. I have some of my, very, very sophisticated tools here to show you how to use them. I've always talked about my little box of peeled crayons. Crayons are not as easy to peel as they used to be. They used to just slide right out. You could just push them right out. I have fingernails, so I can peel this back. It is not as easy as you think. You'd think you could just go down and down. No. They figured out a way probably to heat the crayon while it's in the paper. You will have a mess. And again, don't throw it on the floor. Make a pile. So now you have your crayon. Simple, right? Try it with a brand new one. This is a brand new one. These are really tight. Okay, so this one's a little harder. I'm going to try this. My advice with these is if you're doing it, don't go at yourself. This might be a little bit dangerous for younger kids, so let's try this. Let's shave it. Down, 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 down. And now let's see if we can peel. There we go. Oh, talk about getting something for your efforts. Look at that. Now that was a real good peel. Snap it, throw it in your box, and you're done. The next, I just blew it all over. Okay, scoop it up. I said to clean it up, don't make a mess. I'm gonna go. These are pastels. These are easier to peel. These will make more marks on your fingernails. It'll go underneath it. Soap and water. The reason that you wanna peel these is when you're using it regular, but then again, when they get small, you can do your side strokes with them to get that big broad line. Simple tools, simple tricks will keep you in the know when you're doing your artwork.